All right, let's work with this list. Okay, so I've just left a few different things from each section on here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to do this middle step. It's sort of like you order the ingredients from Woolworths, but it actually doesn't go to your cart yet. So in Australia, we really only have Woolworths, so that's what we choose. Other countries have probably got other supermarkets that you can choose, but we only have this. Our recipes say that we need 120 grams of flaked almonds toasted. So these ones are Lucky toasted sliced almonds, and they come in a pack of 110. Well, let's have a look and see what other options we have, because I can toast them myself, and this is probably not the cheapest way to do it. So I'm going to go to swap, and I'm going to have a look at flaked almonds. So here, we wanted 120 grams, and this one is, look, $3.50, so much cheaper. So I'm going to select that, and then it swaps it for this one. Okay, so the Woolworths Italian peeled tomatoes, it's saying here that we need 200 grams for one of our recipes. Now, I don't buy this brand normally, so I'm going to swap that, and I'm going to go to the brand that I normally purchase. So I usually get, Annalise said, peeled tomatoes, the whole peeled tomatoes. So they're $1.50, and I'm going to grab those. Okay, now we go through and we just do exactly the same with all of these things. Unsalted. So here we've come up with mainland pure salted butter. So one of the recipes asked for salted butter, but I never use salted butter in cooking. I prefer to salt my food myself. So I'm going to type in here butter unsalted, and up comes all the unsalted butters. So I'm going to add one of those, and that's going to replace that for that. Okay, so basically that's what we do for this list, and we go through and do what we want. Now, we're going to find the things that were on special for us. So it's saying here the beef cheeks, but this list won't show us what's on special. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add this to my Woolworths cart. Now, it's saying that I'm adding 16 items to our Woolworths cart, and it logs us in and shows us. Now, here it's telling me that these beef cheeks aren't available anyway, but we were going to purchase something else because it was on special, and we were going to grab the gravy beef. So I'm going to delete that. We know that it was on special, so I'm going to go back to my specials and my offers, and I'm going to go, oh, sorry, it was going to be for meat and poultry specials. Okay, so we're going to go back here, and we're going to get that gravy beef, which is, so you can do this one of two ways, of course. You could have left all those things in your cart, but just make sure that you remove the ones that are coming in, because you don't want, oh, I'm going to show you this because this is saying 3 of these, but it won't be. It'll be 3 pieces, and you're buying 3 packets here. So we'll go back and we'll look at that in a sec. Where's the gravy? Here. So here's the chuck steak. So I'm going to add one more to this just for now, because I'm pretty sure that we don't need all those. Go back to our list. All right, now, so Woolworths shortcut bacon. I don't usually buy that. I usually buy streaky bacon because fat is flavour. So I'm going to go here and go streaky bacon. And you can actually sort by unit price or by relevance. So I'm going to go by specials, because why wouldn't you? Looks like there's only a few here that are on special. So what's this one? Streaky bacon, 500 grams. I only need 200 grams. There's only 2 of us. So we'll do that. And then look back at our list. So we've got our, get rid of this bacon. So we've got our olive oil that we chose. We've got garlic cloves. You can choose this to one, or this is a bundle of garlic. It's up to you. This brand I don't normally buy, so I click on that. And I'm going to type in here, Continental stock pots. And they come up. Now that's asking for a vegetable stock pot, so it's up to you, but I think the flavour is really nice for the chicken one. And I will grab that. So now I go here, And let's put the continental one in, and I don't need this, so I get rid of that. We already swapped these out. Now, it's gone brown onions each, 4. Now, it's up to you how you purchase these, but I buy these by the kilos. But I'm just going to leave this here for now. And I'm going to go through and just check that I've got everything that I need. The macro grass-fed beef chuck steak, we only need 1 of these. See, look, it's on special. We've saved $12 if we buy 3 packs, but I'm just going to get 1 pack. Time, I've got that in my garden, so I'm just going to delete that. Here, Woolworths RSPC. I'm going to go back and have a look at my recipe. And how many chicken Marylands? 4. So there's 2 in a pack. So I'm going to go back to 2, and that's that. Carrots. I usually buy these by the kilo as well, so you can go in and change that. Diced lamb. I was going to buy the lamb that was on special, so I get rid of that, and I'm going to go back to, to the main page and find browse products, the meat, poultry, meat and seafood, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to get the lamb. Let's have a look at our list now. Okay, so now I've got the protein and all those dishes sorted. So the next thing that I do is I go, right, well, what are my specials and offers for this week? And I will then go through and pick things that I want to purchase. So let's have a look. I'm going to grab a zucchini because we always have those. What else? This list is quite long, so I'm just going to quickly, now these I always use, so I'm going to grab like 6 of these because they're on special. These, we always have 1 or 2 of these in the cupboard because they're handy to have. They last, their use by date is really long if you leave the packet sealed. So yes, all right. So we have saved $24.25. My total bill is $192.38. The next thing I do is go to checkout. Now, I love this bit because it says, have you forgotten? Sometimes I forget milk. So I go, oh, should have got milk. All right, so potatoes. I always grab a couple of those. And I tend to buy the red washed ones because they are all-rounders. You can mash them, boil them, stick them in a stew. And I get cream each week. I usually get a packet of tissues. So here's the Lavazza coffee. Now, it's not on special this week. Normally $38. So I wait until it's half price and buy that. Let's see what else. Okay. And I think that will do. So I go to the checkout now. Now, these I actually pay per year for delivery. So my delivery charge is $0, and I get paper bags because they have to bring them in something. So that's what we do. And you check through your list to just make sure that you haven't accidentally put, like 20 kilo of lamb chops or something. So we've just got 1 pack here. We've got 2 packs of these Maryland. So these are the things, the big ticket items, and you can really muck up here. So just keep an eye on that. And then I put my code in and I get it delivered. So I'm just going to go down to go continue. And now we get to choose a delivery time. So I have delivery unlimited activated, and that's up to you. But I get a delivery every single week, sometimes 2 deliveries in 1 week if we've got a class. And then, yeah, it's easy. All right, so that's it, basically. We're paying $205.81 this week for our delivery of our groceries, and that's it. That's all I need for this week. So I only shop once, and it saves me loads of money. Plus, I've saved $24. I've collected 612 points to go to my... You can go to the specials catalogue as well. So there's a catalogue here, which will show you all the specials that are on for this week. You can read the catalogue and purchase from that. I just find that there's like heaps of things in here that we never purchase. So for me, it's a bit of a waste of time. So having all that list of things that I normally purchase that are on special is awesome. It just saves me time than having to scroll through all this stuff. But every so often, it's good to have a quick look, because there might be something there that you don't normally purchase, but you go, well, look, I save $6 on these prawns, or $4 on this Tasman salmon. So you can go through there and have a look and see what you can find. Okay, easy.